Okay, so good morning to all. Now we start today's section, Padarth Vigyan, Department of Samhita Siddhant. Myself, Dr. Siddhant Singh. Hai. So we are discussed today Gurvadi Gunas. So in Gurvadi Gunas, there are like 20 number: Guru Mand, Snigdha, Slaksna, Sandra, Mrudu Istaraha, Sukshma, Vishad, Sabhimsati, Viparyaha. So these are the 10 gunas which are opposite, like so the number are 20. So यहाँ पे 20 गुण के बारे में चर्चा करेंगे जो कि गुरुवादी गुण है. So first one we have together like simultaneously Guru or Laghu, like two pairs we have to complete it 20 Gurvadi Gunas. So what are Guru and Laghu Gunas? Both of attributes are contrary and they relative to each other. One substance may be heavier than other and the same may be lighter to the second. The light foot attributes of Vayu and Mahabhut according to Bhav Misra, the substance bearing the attribute of heaviness decrease Vata dosh and they increase the Kapha dosh. Second one is like Shita and Usna Guna. So the attribute experienced by the touching sensation and the contrary to each another, the articles which reduce the body temperature are called Shita. The article having the quality of coldness produce the delightness and the constipation of the the obstruction. Burning sensation, sweating and the thrust are of cold. Cold attribute in Vayu Mahabhut and Jala, sweets and bitter taste. Hot attribute in Agni Mahabhut and salt and the pungent. Next, Snigdha and Ruksha Guna. So the term Snehan is used for the lubricating, greasing, unctuousness and in the sense of attachment. According to Vaisheshik system, it is a special attribute of water and help to make lumps, wall and the tablet etc. By which quality of the drugs or diet increase and they produce the softness and the soothingness in the body is known as the Snigdha or the. Next is Manda and Tikshna. So drug and the diet which are produce depressions in the body consist of quality of Mandata or the dullness. The dullness is predominant by the Prithvi and Jala Mahabhut. It is elevate the Pitta and aggravate the Kapha dosh. Next, Sthira and the Saraguna. In this pair, the Susrut has used the Manda attribute with Sara, while the commentator of the Ashtanga Hridaya has used the Chalaguna, contrary the Sthira Guna. The Sthira means stable to or the immovable. Due to the quality any drug or diet, stable Vata and the stool and cheeks, it is to be passed through lower passages in called the Sthira. They stimulate the Vata and the stool to be passed through lower passages called the Saragu. Next, Mrudu and Kathina. So, Charak and the Bhagavata have the accepted Mrudu and the Kathina as a contrary to each other, while the Susrut describe the Mrudu as the contrary to Tikshna Guna. Mrudu attribute provide the softness to any limited part as well as to the whole body. Against to it the article having attribute harden the particular part of the whole. Next, Vishad and the picchil Guna. The attribute by which drug and the diet contain the power of maintaining the prana, that is life, strength, the body, help in the joining the broken bone are called the picchil or the slimness. These articles have the thread-like quality and increase the factor. The picchila substance are the predominated by the Jala Mahabhut. Next, Slaksna and the khara Guna. So Charaka has used the khara in the pair with Slaksna and the Susrut has used the term Karkasha in this pair. The smooth and comparatively touch without greasy material and every hard is called the Slaksna. Its actions are like the actions of the slimness and the Karkasha attribute. They possess the activity like the attribute of the clarity. Next, Sthula and Sukshma. So the quality of drug or diet which obstruct the channels is called bulkness or the Sthula Guna. It recollect and nourishes the tissues and the kapha factor in the body. Sthula attribute is utilized in nourishing therapy or the Brahmana, and Sukshma has been described as which consists of the power of displaying, expressing, unfolding and opening and the drug diet having such power or the known as. Next, Sandra and drava. So a quality which induce the wetness in the body and tendency to spread over in the body is considered as liquidity. On the contrary, drug and diets which decrease the wetness of the body and produce the dryness is known as the density. Density of the drug and diet have purified, smoothing, calming and the cheering actions called the prashadana. Drava attribute is contrary to Sandra or the Sukshma attribute. It's spread quickly in the body, hence to be increased liquid dhatu as a rasa. So we are correct. At the end of the lecture, the student should be able to Guru and Laghu Guna, Shita and Usna Guna, Snigdha and Ruksha Guna, Snigdha and Ruksha, Sara Guna, Mrudu and Kathina Guna, Vishad and picchil Guna, Slaksna and khara Guna, Sthula and Sukshma Guna, and Sandra and Guna. So these are recollect from the Padat Vigyan Professor like Y.C. Misra and section publications Chokhamba, Sanskrit Bhavan, and Ayurved Padat Vigyan like Dr. Dingri Chari, first edition like from the Chokhamba Sanskrit publication. And one more basic principle of Ayurveda, like reference from the Dr. L.P. Gupta. Okay, so thank you to all.